Hello everyone, welcome back to the journey of learning Abacus with Fatima. Now let us start with the first question. 3 plus 3 plus 4. Now 3, I place the number first. Now I need to add 3 again. Now what will I do? I need 3 more beads. I don't have enough beads. So what should I do? Okay, now let me remind you, 3 is used for small friends and 3 is also used for big friend. Do you remember small friends? So how to decide when to use big friend and when to use small friend addition formulas? So this is what we are going to learn today. Today's lesson is very important, so watch it carefully till the end. Many students get confused about when should we use small friends, when to use big friends, and how to identify the correct formula. So don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand it very clearly with easy examples and practice questions. So in this video, we are going to understand when to use small friend and when to use big friend formula. I hope you are practicing your abacus regularly. If you need any help, do let me know in the comments below. Now, let us look at this paper. Can you see small friends? We have learnt already small friends, addition and subtraction. So, small friend numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whereas big friend numbers has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Did you notice something? Their numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are repeating in small friends and big friends. This means they have two formulas. One for small friend and other one for big friends. Do you remember the small friends? Do you remember the big friends? Yes? Do you remember we have learnt more than 15 formulas? If you haven't watched my videos on small friends and big friend addition, you will find the link in my description box. Look at this paper. We need to understand there are 3 conditions. First, direct addition. Second condition, small friend addition. And the third one is big friend addition. Okay, so anytime when you come across these type of sums, you have to understand there are 3 conditions. The first condition, always go for direct addition. If you cannot do direct addition, then the option goes the second one, that is small friend addition. If small friend addition is also not possible, then you have to go for big friend addition. Okay, we will understand this with the help of these examples. Let us start. The first one, 3 plus 3 plus 4. So first I place the number 3 here. Now 3. So direct 3, is it possible? No. Can I do direct addition? No. So direct addition is not possible. So the second thing is I have to look for small friend. Can I use small friend? Yes. I can use 5. So small friend addition of 3. Do you remember the friend of 3? The small friend of 3 is? Correct. It is 2. So we add 5 and less 2. Okay, and the next one, 4. The next number is 4 here. So first option, direct addition. Can we do direct addition here? No, direct addition is not possible. Next one, small friend. Now 4 is a small number, right? So can I use small friend? No, I cannot use small friend because 5 bead is already in use. So I have to go for the third one, that is the big friend addition. So now this 4 I have to add using big friend addition. Who's the big friend of 4? 6. Very good. So what is the formula here? Add 10 and less the friend of 4, that is 6. So my answer is 10. Next one. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now first thing is 4. I place the number first. Again I need to add 4. Can I do direct addition? No, I have used all the beads. Lower beads are in use. So addition of 4. The next one is small friend. Can I do small friend here? Yes, I can use the 5 here. So who's the friend of 4? 1. Very good. So add 5 less 1. Correct? Now next 4. Again let us check. Can I do direct addition? No. Can I use small friend? No. So I have to use big friend now. Though 4 is a small number, I still have to use big friend addition formula. Okay. So what is the formula for big friend 4? That is add 10. And who's the big friend of 4 now? Good. It is 6. So we add 10 less 6. My answer is 12. Always remember, we have to go for direct beads. If direct beads are not possible, you use small friend addition. If not, then you have to use big friend addition formula. Now we are going to solve some more sums using these 3 conditions. By solving these sums, you will gain a good understanding whether we have to do it directly or we should use small or big friend formula. Let us begin. Always remember 3 conditions. First, go with direct addition, small friend and then big friend formulas. Okay, let us begin. First one, 3 plus 4 plus 8. 3. Replace the number first. 3 plus 4. Now, direct addition. Is it possible? No. Small friend. Is it possible? Yes. We can use small friend here. So, what is the formula for plus 4? It is plus 5 less 1. Okay. Next is plus 8. We all know 8 is a big number. So, what is the formula for plus 8? It is plus 10 less 2. My answer is 15. Next one. 4 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3. Direct addition, is it possible? No. Small friend? Do I have to use small friend here? Yes. So, what is the formula for plus 3? It is plus 5 less 2. Okay. Now, plus 4. Can I plus 4 directly? No. Can I use small friend here? No. Because 5 bead is already in use. So, I cannot use small friend also. So, I have to use the big friend formula. We all know 4 is also a small friend and a big friend. Right? So, but here I am going to use the big friend formula. So, what is the big friend formula of 4? It is plus 10 less 6. My answer is 11. Next one. 9 plus 1 plus 6. 9 plus 1. Okay. Direct addition. Not possible. Small friend. Again not possible. So I have to go for big friend. Since we all know 1 has 2 formulas. Small friend and big friend. But over here we will be using the big friend formula. So what's the big friend formula of 1? Plus 1 is plus 10 less 9. Did you understand this? Okay. And next one, plus 6. Can I do it directly? Yes. My answer is 16. Next one, 3 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 3. So, direct addition, not possible. Small friend, yes, I can go for small friend. So, plus 3 is plus 5 less 2. Okay. Now plus 4. Again, direct addition I can't do. Small friend? No, I cannot do it because 5 is already in use. So I have to go for big friend. Okay. And what is the formula for plus 4? It is plus 10 less 6. My answer is 10. Next one. 3 plus 2 plus 5. 3. First place the number 3 here. Plus 2. Plus 2 again. Direct addition not possible. Small friend. I have to go for small friend. So small friend formula for plus 2 is plus 5 less 3. And now plus 5. Plus 5. So 5 we all know it's a big number. So it is plus 10 less 5. The answer is 10. Next one. 7 plus 3 plus 8. 7 plus 3. Plus 3. Again direct addition I cannot do. Small friend also I cannot do because 5b is already in use. So 3. We all know 3 has two formulas. Small friend and big friend. But over here I am going to use the big friend formula. So what is the big friend formula for plus 3? Yes, it is plus 10 less 7. And now plus 8. Can I do it directly? Yes, plus 8. My answer is 18. 34 plus 3 plus 3. 34 plus 3. So direct addition I cannot do. I have to use small friend. So small friend is plus 5 less the friend of 3, that is 2. Okay. Now again plus 3. So direct addition not possible. Small friend also not possible. I have to go for big friend formula. Right. So big friend of 3 is 7. So what is the formula? Plus 10 less 7. My answer is 40. Next one. 22 plus 3 plus 4. 22 plus 3. Now direct addition not possible. Small friend? Yes, I can go with small friend. So it is plus 5 less 2. And plus 4. Can I do it directly? Yes, I can. So my answer is 29. Next one. 11 plus 4 plus 5. 11 plus 4. So plus 4, direct addition I cannot do. Small friend, I have to go with small friend. So plus 4 is plus 5 less 1. And now plus 5. Since we know 5 is a big number, so it is a big friend formula. That is plus 10 less 5. My answer is 20. Next one. 25 plus 3 plus 2. 25 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Plus 2. Can I do it directly? No. Can I use small friend? No. So what I have to do? I have to use the big friend formula. We all know 2 has two formulas, small friend and big friend. So over here I am going to use the big friend formula. What is the formula here? It is plus 10 less 8. My answer is 30. Next one. 54 plus 2 plus 4. 54 plus 2. Can I do it directly? No. Do I have to use small friend? Yes, I have to use the small friend here. So formula for plus 2 is plus 5 less 3. Okay. Now plus 4. Direct addition not possible. Small friend is already in use. So plus 4 I have to use the big friend formula. That is plus 10 less 6. My answer is 60. The last one. 56 plus 4 plus 5. 56 plus 4. Now plus 4 direct addition I cannot do. Small friend also I cannot do. So I have to use the big friend. We all know 4 has 2 formulas, small friend and big friend. But over here, we have to use the big friend formula. So big friend formula for plus 4 is plus 10 less 6. Okay. And last is plus 5. I can add directly. My answer is 65. I hope you are now clear when to use direct addition, when to use small friend and when to use big friend formulas. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun and easier abacus learning videos. And remember, small beads make big brains. I'll see you in the next exciting abacus lesson. Until then, keep smiling and keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.